Yeah, YouTube, I just wanted to hop on here, do a quick review. Never done one before. Mastercraft Courser MTX mud tires on an 88 to 98 CK 285 65 18. Took out the stock blocks, just sitting on airbags. It's for anyone who doesn't know what fits, or if they're too aggressive to fit. Minor trimming right there. Nice stance. Looked all over YouTube and I couldn't find anyone who was running the setup. It's a really nice tire. It's not really loud. You hear it. The exhaust is louder. Yeah. That's great though. Real aggressive tire. So yeah. If you're searching like I was, here it is. 285 65 18. Moto Metal MO951. So we drilled and slotted to make sure I don't pit these wheels. But pretty tough.